Good morning, America. One good afternoon. All over. I cleaning our yard today, guys. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Grabe kadagko sa kamuti. Na-harvest na ako sa 8 kapunuan. Mga pulo ra kapunuan kaya 8 ang sa kada punuan na ay grabe kadagko, guys. Kami ako nakuha sa inluan sa akong banana gitabangan ako, guys. This is our front yard because ang dami pang mga maliliit. We're gonna posted in the market soon, so I have to clean this old dead leaves so it looks healthy. Grabe ang harvest ko para akong nagbasak sa basakan sa kamutihan. Oh my God, guys, nakakatuwa. Mga isang ano na to, basket ko na to. Grabe, ang dami. Akala ko walang laman. Diyos ko, pagpunot ko sa nangadala ba, guys? Nangadala, ano ba yung see, like that when I pull it with my rake, and then I was surprised because the tomato, the potato, the sweet potato, oh, kalabo naman dyan, guys. Uy, para na yung basakan. Tingnan mo yan, guys, na ano sa winter. If I know that this is already good to harvest, I was harvesting this before the praising, but it's still good though. It's still all good to eat. So ayan, happy farmers. Walang gloves, guys. Tingnan nyo, ito ang tamang magsasaka, ha. After all the frozen sa bagyo of unos, sa ice, it's coming beautifully because we're going to post it in the market soon, and then we go home to Philippines, guys. See you soon, Philippines. Oh my God, guys, wala ang masyado ditong ma-vlog kasi ito lang talaga ang maliliit na paradise namin, at saka nakaka-boring din. May 58 videos na ako dito lang lagi kasi walang ibang ma-adventure. Dito sa maliit na farm na to. Ay, Diyos ko, guys, ito ang buhay namin sa Amerika, kaya kailangan na talaga namin uuwi sa Pilipinas kasi yung babae, yung 6 years old ko, ang hirap i-keep up sa bahay. Naghahanap ng mga kalaro, walang makalaro dito kasi si Harry protective na, kaya hope we gonna be in the Philippines sooner. We're excited. That's the harvest for today, sweet potatoes. Thank you, guys, for watching our video and subscribe, and this is for today. Bye bye. Easy, yeah. EASY.
I just put it on accident, like
Say hi to our subscriber, baby. Okay, please. Give them a little love.
easy.
Easy busy.
Because
She just come home from the school.
Because I'm
Her daddy
doing
picked her
this.
up. Oh, okay.
because it's easy to count on.
You know what? A lot of math in there that your teacher, Miss Gilliot, is never put a check on it. That's why probably you missing those one, by love. That's why no wonder why your math is too low. You need to put back there because probably she not finished to check those things. You know, I kind of wonder why you get that. Yeah, you are very smart in the math.
Can we do this?
Yeah, you can.
I don't know.
Because it's easy peasy.
Because it's easy to count on.
Oh.
I did that. Okay, I did.
I know you are.
Let me delete the end. It looks like
That's
an
why,
eight.
guys, I asking her because we wonder why her math this time is only very low, and then she have a lot of.
That
I
looks
know
like
she's very
O.
smart on the math. It's always perfect when I give her a like, you know, like a test in here. She's answer like a, she sounds like she eating the numbers, and I noticed her all the quizzes inside the school. The teacher, they don't give mark, they don't give
Mommy,
even.
guess what? I take out that reason.
Yeah.
From
And
this. From
I
this.
just noticed this in the end now that it comes here, and then I was like, we probably need this one to put it back because see, guys, see all this one, there are no check from the teacher, this one. And then I'm wondering if the teacher, they're looking for this one right now. Because I never have everything I give a signature, and I never get a signature for math. And she is very smart in the math. I don't know why. See, guys, so that's why I kind of wonder. I have to ask one day her teacher about this. Maybe she's looking for that because last time she missing paper like this, and I give her back because, you know, it's only 6 years old. They cannot handle all those things. So, and then she said, Mommy, thank you for giving those papers because those one I looking for. And then I knew it. So look at this, guys. No check at all. And this is the homework, some of this, and this is a lot of this is from the homework or lesson, you know. And the teacher don't check on that one at all. For today vlog, nagkadusingot ang mga farmers. Perting bisiha, guys, grabe. We have 3 months to go. That's why we are in a hurry. Everything is moving. Is like, oh my God, I can't believe. Before when we moved from lectures to here in Bossier, it's not. I don't feel that this hassle right here because all the things is just like transferring to other and just clean. And now we have to find out where we're gonna put all the things because we cannot bring to the Philippines. That is why it's make me no have time because first thing there, you know, I can sell like a $3, $10 to make money a little bit. I'm happy for it, you know. I give a lot in the core, but threw out a lot in the trash can, and I feel like, oh my God, I paid this one for $20 and just threw it away, you know. I paid this one for $40 and I threw it away because if I post it in the market, who cares on that shit? I sorry, guys, especially for the baby, so I'm just throwing away. So this is for vlog for today. Bye bye.
Mommy, I'm finished.
Okay, so I love you guys.